arm. Masyadong malayo yung video nyo kahapon. Yan. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. Parang yung nag-fit ka ng gel. Pero check mo muna. Ayan. Okay.
Nagpipre-tailor din ba dyan?
Nagpipre-tailor, of course. Pag hindi na kailangan, kaya nga i-finifit muna, di ba? So, fi-fit nyo muna kung kailangan mong mag-pre-tailor ka. Pag hindi na. Diretso mo lang i-fit. And then, of course, we're going to check and decide on the length. Let me check your length here. Number 3. Actually, 2.5. But I will apply a number 3. Or 3.5. So, what I'm using for the length is clear. Or any transparent. And of course, the same as gel, you need to apply it very thin. And remember, ladies, ang brush nyo is 200 plus, almost 300 real. So, really be careful with the brush. You are using the most expensive brushes. Di tulad sa ibang company na bibigyan nila ng staff nila ng mga mumurahin. Okay. Off mo muna yun. Kasi we need 3 minutes